Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will learn about Android Constraint Layout Barrier. We will create an app like this from scratch using Barrier. With Constraint Layout Barrier, we could group multiple views together and set a boundary to the group top, right, left or bottom side. Other views could set constraint to this barrier and will remain always on the left, right, bottom or top side of this group. Barrier remains invisible. Let's learn this with an example by creating an app from scratch and applying the barrier. In Android Studio, we will create a new project, file, new project, empty activity. Then next, we'll give a name to the project, language, Kotlin. We will go to the main activity layout file, and inside the constraint layout, first we will create 3 text views. Barrier helps in putting invisible boundary on multiple views together, either left, right, top or bottom. We are creating first text view, constraint top to the top of parent, constraint start to the start of parent. Then second text view, constraint top to the top of parent, constraint start to the end of first text view, layout height 200 dp. Third text view ID, third, layout height 400 dp, constraint top to the top of parent, constraint start to the end of second text view. Now creating a barrier, layout height wrap content, layout width wrap content, ID barrier. In constraint reference IDs, we need to give the IDs of the views which we want to place in a particular side of the barrier. Multiple IDs with comma separation. In barrier direction, we need to give the direction in which side of the group of views we want to put the barrier. Here I am giving bottom. We could see a line below the views. Only in development we could see it. When we will run the app, this line will be invisible. Now I am creating a button. I want the button always at the bottom of these 3 text views. So this button's constraint top should be the bottom of barrier. If we change the height of the text views, still the button will remain in the bottom of these 3 text views. Here we have changed the height of the third text view. If we increase the height of the first text view, still the barrier will remain in the bottom of these 3 text views. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.